Imagine a place where animals have no fear of humans, a world untouched by time. This is the Galápagos Islands, a scattered collection of volcanic peaks far out in the Pacific. Here, every island is a kingdom of life, and visiting is a journey into nature's heart. Step onto a shore where sea lions play, blue-footed boobies dance, and the only sounds are waves and birds. This is not a zoo, it's their home, and for a moment you're a privileged guest. The Galápagos feel like another planet, yet they're a vital part of our own. 19 major islands born from volcanic eruptions, isolated for millions of years. Life arrived here by chance. A seed on the wind, a reptile on a log, and adapted to survive. This is what makes the Galápagos so special, a living story of survival and adaptation. As we begin our exploration, prepare to be amazed by the resilience and beauty of life. The Galápagos are a living epic, still being written today. By visiting, learning, and caring, you become part of its next chapter. This is not just a trip, it's a pilgrimage to one of the last truly wild places on Earth. Welcome to the Galápagos, a sanctuary for wildlife and the human spirit. The Galápagos are called evolution's living laboratory for good reason. Isolated yet accessible, each island has unique conditions, some dry, some lush. This variety set the stage for nature's greatest experiment, evolution by natural selection. Picture finches blown off course from South America, landing on different islands. Over generations, their beaks changed, thick for seeds, thin for insects, creating new species. The process is visible everywhere in the shells of giant tortoises, in marine iguanas that swim the sea. The islands are a living museum, showing how life adapts and diversifies. Here you don't need a textbook to see evolution in action. Every animal and plant tells a story of survival and change. The Galápagos teach us that life is always evolving, always responding to its environment. It's a profound lesson, one you can witness firsthand. Visiting is like reading the greatest story ever told, with the evidence right before your eyes. The islands are a source of discovery for all who visit. They remind us that life's diversity is born from struggle and adaptation. This is the fundamental lesson of the Galápagos. The Galápagos wildlife is astonishing. Many species are found nowhere else on Earth. The giant tortoises, living over a century, lumber through the highlands like creatures from another age. Each island once had its own tortoise, their shells shaped by their environment. The marine iguana, a dark dragon-like swimmer, dives for algae and basks on volcanic rocks. Land iguanas, bright yellow, feast on cactus pads. Bird life is equally unique. Blue-footed boobies dance to attract mates. Flightless cormorants swim instead of fly, and Galápagos penguins thrive north of the equator. What's magical is the animal's lack of fear. Sea lion pups may sniff your shoes, mockingbirds might land on your hat. You can sit near a nesting albatross and watch its courtship ritual. This intimacy with wildlife is rare and profound. The animal's trust is a reminder of our shared place in the web of life. The Galápagos offer a connection to nature that is pure and unforgettable. Here, you witness evolution and adaptation up close. It's a living reminder of the planet's creativity. The island's inhabitants are their greatest treasure. The Galápagos landscapes are as varied as their wildlife. Born from volcanoes, the islands display black lava fields, twisted rock, and still active craters. White coral beaches, red and green sands, and turquoise waters create stunning contrasts. In the highlands, cool mists drift through lush forests, creating a magical atmosphere. Exploring by boat, each island reveals new wonders, coastal walks, cliffside wildlife, and underwater adventures. Snorkeling here means swimming with sea lions, turtles, and colorful fish. The underwater world is as rich as the land above. Every day brings a new discovery, a new landscape, a new encounter. The Galápagos are a world woven from fire and sea. It's an immersive adventure in a truly unique ecosystem. Charles Darwin's visit to the Galápagos in 1835 changed science forever. He noticed differences in mockingbirds and tortoise shells from island to island. Most famously, he studied finches, similar birds with different beaks, each adapted to its island's food. Back in England, Darwin realized these birds shared a common ancestor, but had evolved to survive in different environments. This insight led to his theory of evolution by natural selection. Darwin's work showed that all life is connected and constantly adapting. The Galapagos were the key to unlocking this mystery. Today, you can walk where Darwin walked, see the same finches, and witness evolution in action. It's a powerful experience, connecting you to a turning point in human understanding. The islands are not just beautiful, they're a monument to curiosity and discovery. Visiting is a chance to see the evidence that changed the world. The Galapagos are a living classroom for all who come. Here, the story of life's diversity comes alive. You are truly walking in Darwin's footsteps. The Galapagos have a human history as dramatic as their wildlife. Discovered by accident in 1535, the islands became a hideout for pirates and a stop for whalers, who hunted tortoises and seals, nearly wiping them out. Ecuador claimed the islands in 1832, establishing a penal colony. Early settlers faced harsh conditions, struggling to survive in isolation. In the 20th century, pioneers from around the world sought a new life here, drawn by solitude and nature. Today, a small Ecuadorian population lives on 4 islands, working in tourism, fishing, and farming. Their lives are now intertwined with conservation. The human story is a reminder of our impact and our responsibility. Past exploitation nearly destroyed some species. Now the focus is on protection and stewardship. The Galapagos teach us that our choices matter. The island's future depends on people who care. The Galapagos are a fragile treasure facing new threats today. Invasive species, goats, pigs, rats, compete with native wildlife and destroy habitats. Non-native plants can overwhelm local flora. Tourism brings vital funds but must be managed to avoid harming the islands. Too many visitors or careless actions can damage this delicate ecosystem. Conservation is a constant effort. The Galapagos National Park and Marine Reserve protect land and sea. Invasive species are controlled, endangered animals are bred, and strict rules guide tourism. Visitors must stay on marked trails, never touch animals, and leave nothing behind. Responsible travel is essential. Choose ethical operators, follow the rules, and support local conservation. Your visit can help protect the islands for future generations. The Galapagos are more valuable protected than exploited. Protecting them is a pledge we all must make. Together, we can ensure this paradise endures. The future of the Galapagos is in our hands. What does it feel like to be in the Galapagos? It's like unlocking a hidden world. Surrounded by fearless animals and raw nature, everyday worries fade away. You watch sea lions surf, marvel at iguanas, and listen to the wind and sea. It's a deeply moving experience, an invitation to step into the extraordinary, swim with sea lions, walk among giant tortoises, and witness the blue-footed boobies dance. This journey connects you to nature in a pure, authentic way. By visiting, you become part of the island's story and an ambassador for their protection. You'll return home with a deeper understanding of our planet's delicate web of life. Your memories become a commitment to cherish and protect this heritage. The Galapagos invite you to discover their wonders for yourself. Let them capture your heart and teach you about life, change, and survival. The journey awaits. Accept the invitation. The wonder is waiting for you. The Galapagos are more than a destination. They're a symbol of hope. Conservation here shows that nature can heal when we choose to protect it. Breeding programs and invasive species control are stories of triumph. The island's legacy extends worldwide. Darwin's theory, born here, is the foundation of modern biology. The Galapagos remain a hub for research, offering insights into evolution, climate, and resilience. They are a living library of adaptation, more relevant than ever in a changing world. Protecting the Galapagos is about preserving knowledge and inspiration for generations. Their wonder lies in seeing a swimming lizard, a giant tortoise, a flightless bird. They remind us we're part of life's grand story. The islands call to the explorer in all of us, asking us to look closer, care more, and protect what's precious. The Galapagos are a gift, a window into our planet's soul. Let's cherish and protect them, ensuring their wonder endures. The legacy of the Galapagos is ours to uphold.